Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to blur background in Microsoft Teams. Let's have a look now. To begin, join a Microsoft Teams meeting. Once you are in the meeting, look for the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Background Settings. Now select Blur. After adjusting the blur, click Apply and turn on Video. Your background will now be blurred. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. Graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.